project I'm working on here. Anyways, this is solar tracking equipment. I've got an old dish here. I've covered that dish with mirrors. I think there's about 1,000 1-inch mirrors on there. Anyways, you point that at the sun and it collects all that sunlight to one location here. Let's see where our sunlight's being concentrated here. I'm going to stick a piece of cardboard in front of here, and you can see it pretty much immediately lights that up. So we want to we're going to put some kind of collector there to that we can run water through, probably some sort of copper. Send that into a hot water tank or storage, maybe do some heating with it. Endless list of ways you could use this, and this is just an intense amount of energy that this thing collects. Fine-tuning the sun tracker. It should move around and position and find the sun there. So there's our concentration right where we want it. And you can see that gets pretty warm, and then we're going to because we're going to get about 120 degrees of rotation out of this right now, we're going to take this off and replace it with a motor and a chain that will give us, well, as much as we want, up to the full 360 degrees. So anyways, just a little update. There's where the sun's at in the sky right now.